Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use CNBC to trade. First, navigate to the CNBC website or app. Explore the homepage for major headlines and market summaries. Pay attention to the market section for detailed index performance and commodity prices. Utilize the search bar to find specific stock quotes or company news. This initial overview helps you grasp the current market sentiment before diving deeper into your trading decisions. To deepen your analysis, head to the stocks section. Here, you can input any ticker symbol to view detailed quotes, interactive charts, and related news articles. Pay close attention to key metrics like volume, 52-week highs and lows, and earnings reports. Watching live segments with analysts can offer valuable insights into why certain stocks are moving, helping you make informed trading choices. Integrating CNBC into your trading strategy involves using its information to confirm or challenge your existing ideas. If a major news event breaks, assess its potential impact on your holdings or watch list. Use the platform's tools to create personalized watch lists, allowing you to track stocks of interest efficiently. This proactive approach ensures you are always aware of developments that could affect your portfolio, helping you react swiftly. For more advanced users, consider exploring CNBC Investing Club for exclusive content and trade alerts. The Pro subscription offers even deeper data, analytics, and customizable dashboards, which can be invaluable for serious traders. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Always combine CNBC-rich information with your own research and risk management strategies for optimal trading success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.